20.5 degrees, and it's Tuesday. No, it's not Tuesday. It's Wednesday the 1st of June. White rabbits, white rabbits, white rabbits.
Morning. Good morning.
And we're heading to Alicante Airport because we're doing a surprise trip over to the UK for my Uncle Mick's birthday. He's 70 today.
Well, that's their primary reason I've decided to tag along.
Because he's like a gatecrasher, isn't he, Dad?
It is.
And before I went back for family issues in March,
Yeah.
this was the only planned visit I got this year, and nobody knows about it apart from my sister.
Yeah, so nobody knows. Well, all my family know we're going back apart from my uncle, whose birthday it is. So we're going to surprise him, hopefully, at lunchtime in a garden centre that does food called Darfold's, but we'll have to wait and see if we get there on time. It depends on flights, because we all know that a lot of flights have been having issues and they've not been on time, and there have been queues and there have been cancellations, so we'll see how it goes and we'll see you later.
What do you think of that, Mama? Give you an idea on crowds. So, really busy, but we managed to get through security in 5 minutes, and we've come here for breakfast. And they actually do an English breakfast for $13.95, including orange juice and a coffee.
So far, really nice cup of coffee, lovely, lovely fresh orange.
Oh, 2 thumbs up.
We'll see if you still say 2 thumbs up when we
2
got our
thumbs
breakfast.
up when we got us breakfast.
Here's the breakfast. It's not huge, but sufficient. The eggs are done nicely. Crappy bacon, really, but it'll be all right. I'm quite happy with that breakfast for an airport meal. Don't think you can go wrong at that.
I've been expecting you, Mr. Bond.
What is it?
Alright there, love.
Alright, love.
On the plane, and it's all been fairly easy, really. We've not had any sort of issues at all, have we?
We are late.
We're 5 minutes late, that's all. I don't think we're going to be late. And
I've lost my download.
always a drama.
I feel the need for speed.
I've never watched it.
I know, Yanks. There's no point asking for hundreds of pictures to see new ones.
No. And just for the record, first flight in
Para inflar el chaleco, tire firmemente de la boya roja. Hay un tubo para inflar, desinflar y una luz.
So we've got it, yeah? But it's raining.
Yeah, welcome to England. Bloody Nora.
And I've not brought a brolly.
Oh, she's not brought a brolly. Mum doesn't know I'm going yet. So Helen's let her know that Ellen and Bob's there. Which most of hers knew anyway, apart from my Uncle Mick, whose birthday is today. Happy birthday, Mick. Hi. Forget one or what?
Sure, but where's he come from? You swine.
What's she now, 92?
Yeah.
92-year-old and she's got better social life than me still. Front or back door? Ah, alright, I'll let you know that.
Ding dong! Hello, how you doing? How are you feeling today? Not very good.
What have I told you about locking this front door?
Oh.
So I've not videoed anything yet, but we're setting up for Uncle Mick's 70th birthday party.
Hello.
And there it is. Hi Matt.
Hey.
Hello Melanie.
Hello.
So we've not got Jubilee bunting up, I think we've actually got Gay Pride bunting up, so don't let anybody say that we're homophobic. Peggy and Annalie there in the window. Say hello Uncle Mick.
Hello.
Mick.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Uncle Mick.
Hello, Uncle Mick. Now this is different. Instead of ordering pizzas and getting them delivered to your house, why not just get the pizza van to come to your house and cook them while you're there?
He doesn't like pizzas at all, he likes garlic bread.
Yeah. Last time I had a wood-fired pizza like this was in France, bizarrely.
Was it?
Yeah.
I bet you that was a bit ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, about 5 years ago, I think. On his way here.
Really?
Yeah. Ooh. That's the piri piri chicken.
This is the key lime, you can definitely see.
Get it down here.
Are we having bets whether she gets this down the front like she got the rest of her food? Who made it?
Poppies.
Does anybody else want key lime? Or
What?
That is definitely,
key lime?
You've left half of mine, yeah.
but that is key lime pie, that's lovely.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mick and Stacey. Happy birthday to you.
We've got to light it down.
It's been a long time coming.
70 years we've been planning this.
Yeah.
Come on then, Dad.
What?
Speech.
Well, I'd just like to say thank you everyone for coming, making it a great day. It's lovely to have close friends and family together. Thank you for all you've done and all my presents, etc, etc. Love you all to bits, thank you.
Cheers, pal.
It's Thursday and it's bank holiday here in the UK because of the Queen's Jubilee. I'm in my hometown of Worksop and this is the High Street. A lot of the shops are closed because it's bank holiday Thursday, but a lot of the shops are closed down because they've closed down. It's a shame to see. Even WH Smith's has disappeared, which I can't believe that. That shop has been there for as long as I can remember, but obviously a sign of the times and probably hit by COVID like everything else. So there we go, Worksop on a bank holiday Thursday. One good thing, they've opened a huge Greggs.
Yeah.
But we're just going to go and have a look to see if there's anywhere for a coffee. Disappointing, this was my dad's favourite cafe for a coffee and it's closed down permanently. It is a sad town at the moment, I think, isn't it? Look at all these empty, look at them all empty.
Empty.
Right, it's Saturday afternoon, it's 4:20. We're at East Midlands Airport. We've got 10 flights going out in the next, well, from now for the next few hours. And Burger King's closed. Pork and pickles are out of food. Half the other bars and restaurants are closed. The shops, half of them closed, and it's absolute carnage. And most of the seats are taken up everywhere.
We did manage to come through customs like lightning. There was no problems whatsoever.
Better services and food on that lot, nothing. It's diabolical.
Yeah, and this side is chock-a-block with people.
Random things. When we flew over, we didn't need a face mask. When we're flying back on the aeroplane, now we're flying back, we do.
Yeah, because Spanish law is that you've got to wear a face mask on public transport. That's why. We're flying into Spain, so it's Spanish law.
But we were still on public transport when we flew out of Spain. Random. Make it up as you go along.
It's very cold actually.
Yeah.
It's absolutely packed in that airport and really busy.
And we're going out.
Going out to the warm weather.
Yeah. Normal service is resumed.
Yeah, but we're a bit late. It's not even morning anymore. It's afternoon.
I never said. Well, I said
I know,
normal.
I know you did. I said we're a bit late today. It's not even morning and we're here. It's afternoon.
By normal service, I mean this.